Yeah, so hi. I'm back in the woods here. Hey man. Alright, I just leveled up. Which is exactly what I wanted. You know what, fuck it. I'm not gonna put anything anymore into it, because I need some carry capacity. Do I get... No. I need carry capacity. And I need even more technical. Strength and armor. Of course, I want that. And these are just armor parts, so... Yeah. But I got 300 XP for that, which is good. Oh man. Let's go back to Donald and see to him about the guy. And if I can't, I'm just gonna continue and exterminate the Red Skulls. Come on, Donald, don't hide from me. Oh man, that's gonna be a long run, but hey, I have to do that sometime. But let's just jump in, drop into Andrew, and see if he has anything to offer. Anything worthwhile. Nope, doesn't seem so for me. And nothing. Well, thanks. If I can't add Donald, I don't know. Wait, what? Mickey Licks. Alright, so they were entertained already. They had been entertained already. Let's just speak to Donald. I mean, try to speak to him at least. Now, let's just go back and see what the heck is this all about. If that doesn't work, then I'm not gonna care about it and just go and carry on with exterminating the Red Skull's base, so I don't really know. I don't really know yet. Hey man, it's night again. Oh yeah, and these woods, they respawn. I don't know why, but they do that. Yes. So, every time you visit at night time, you get to kill them for some experience, which is really easy to do. Like, alright, they do cause some damage to you, but who cares, you'll just rest. And that's it. Now, I'll need a lockpick. I need a lockpick because I think in the either in the forest station or here, I can get some pretty good items, provided I have a lockpick and the necessary skill, which I do have. So I'll only need to search for a lockpick and buy it off from a merchant. Can I talk to you, Ian? Yes. 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 Thank God. Let's wait until the game loads, actually. And unfortunately I have to go around because they can't climb the fence. So yeah, kind of boring. Yeah, it's nice welcome, yeah, like all the skulls around here and shit. But hey, it's a post-apocalyptic setting. I mean, you're after a freaking apocalypse, so what else do you really want? What else do you expect? I might just say that. I'm just gonna pick up some drugs from here and pick up the PSG-1 rifle and just repair it, because I'll need it. Here's your home. 450 experience points. Well, that wasn't so bad. I'm just gonna pick everything up from here, which is more or less worthy. Like the PSGs and the drugs, and put them all back. I mean, move them to Spirit Springs. Now let's see. Wait. Creatine max, that's the drug. I know it for a fact. And that was a real Steve, I don't never mind. PSG-1 sniper rifle. And another PSG-1 sniper rifle. Which needs repairing. Gas kit, long nails, fuse, protective gloves. Giant knife, highly explosive unit, assault rifle, machete, breast knuckles, rags, longer dose of staple gun, extra reel of gas, gunpowder, I think I'll just pick up the machete as well. And the two 9x19 ammunition. See if he has anything to offer. I'll just buy it off from him. Don't really care about prices now. Save. And go back to rings, dump. Well, by the way, see, 150, 150. So go back to Spirit Springs, dump everything, like, and go and open the lock, and then go and wait until 1 AM, and then exterminate the band. Now, I don't know. Yeah, I can speak to Zachary again, I think, and he'll give me another quest, which is called the Raided Settlement. No rules now. And I hope that I didn't really screw that up, because it just came to my mind right now that if you talk to Zachary once again, then he'll give you the quest. I hope that you don't have to immediately talk to him. Just like, alright, in some time. Now, let's dump the two PSG rifles here, because, you know, I'm a rich bastard who has two PSG rifles to spare.